Hello everyone, I welcome you to Constech Academy. We'll continue with our tutorial. Yesterday we worked on the general info. Today we want to proceed on registration. So locate your Excel template and double click on it. So as you can see on the screen, I am opening or launching my Excel template. Okay, it seems this is not where I have. Let me check something. I could remember we were able to let me check something. Okay, this is what I have, because I could remember we did the home, we did the general info, and then we are now coming to click on new sheet, delete the name over there and write registration. Then after that, you can click on another new sheet and write the subject. Click on another new sheet and write the learner's bill. Learner's bills. Okay, so that's good. So let's work on registration. Let's work on registration. Please, you follow as I do. Now, because here we are going to create a user form. In database, the first role contains the details or the titles of the database, like what you want to take from the users, like users ID, name of so and so, gender. So that is it. So here we will not do it as we used to do it. So here, come to the first row and expand it to a very good height. Okay, to a very good height. I'm okay. If there's a need for me to re-expand it, I'll do that. So now, after you are done that, the first row, the first column, the first cell, which is A1, just input ID number. Just input ID number. Then the second one, it should be the name of learners or learners name. Names of learners. You click on your tab key, then move to the third and write the gender. You type on it and you go to parent or guardian. Guardian name. Then you press the tab key again. Then you go to phone number. Do as I do. Phone number, or you write the contact. So let's write contact. That is all. So now we are going to expand the name of candidate. A name of the learners will take a very, we'll expand it. Okay. We expand it. Name of learner. So let's remove the X. The gender is okay. Gender is too big. Now let's expand the name of. Now the parent name, we'll expand it. The parent name, will expand it. Some parent names can be lengthy. So let's come to contact. So that's it. So we select the whole of that and we go to the font color. Let's click here and use my normal dark blue color and bold it necessary. Increase the font size to 12. So click here and reselect that and put it at center, and don't put it here. We want it to be like that. If you click here, it will be at the top. We don't want that. So click here, click to deactivate it. Okay, so this is good. Now what else do we do? Let's expand this again. Okay, so now let's go to insert and let's go for text box. Click here and go for text box. Okay, now we're going to draw a text box over here. So draw a text box. Let's expand the name. Let's expand the ID too. Let's expand this. So from here, click here, select Gene. Okay, select Gene and then Control Shift key and then the right arrow key. It will select all. Then you come and right click on them. Right click here, right click, and you select hide. Okay, that's nice. So now we are done with this. So let's input come to general info, come here and just copy this. Go to activate the command, the formula bar, and just copy this and come to registration and paste it inside. Okay, so now after you are done, come to home, put it at the center, increase the font size to 12 or to a very good size. So yeah, let's put it at 18 is okay. Let's give it our favorite color and let's bold it. If you are okay with it, we can reduce the size more. Now click on it and go to shape format, go to shape fill and put at no fill, go to shape outline and say no outline. So come here and then Ctrl C to copy, Ctrl V to paste. Here, reduce it. Select all. Okay, now go to the general info and copy this and go and paste it. So here, Control A to select all, delete, Control V to paste. Now reduce the size to 11. Don't bold it. Leave the size to 11. Okay, the color should be black, automatic. Okay, so just arrange it nicely. Okay, now you can go for your logo. Control C to copy and paste it here. Do this, Control V to paste again. Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and paste this one here. Now take a Control V to copy again, Control V to paste. Now delete whatever is here. Now expand this. Give it a, go to the shape format. Now go to shape fill and give it this color. Okay, now expand it a little bit. We'll put the various menus over here, so we need to re-expand this again so that we can get more space to put. So here, right there, registrations. Control A to select all, and then kindly increase the font to 14 and make it white. It's okay. Now duplicate this color once more again. Control C, Control V to paste. Select this. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. I mean to select this. Okay. So Control C to copy, Control V to paste. You have to expand this again. And whatever, delete whatever is here. Okay, so here, position it nicely. Increase this one. So here, we are going to put two shapes over here. The first one, just get to shape and select this one. Now go to shape fill. You can add any formatting to it the way you like. I just want to keep it simple. So right there, click register student. Register student or learner. So let's say learner. So Control C to copy. Then come here, the font alignment, and put it at center. Bold it. I believe let's increase it to 12. It's okay. Control C to copy, Control V to paste. Yeah, right. Right here, clear data. Now let's work on that. So how many students do you want to take data about? I assume about 200 students. So the first cell is already gone. So it will be 20. So I'll select this up to 201. 201. You can't. I'm doing 201. So please do the same thing. I don't think your school can have over 200 students. One class over 200. Okay. Some school can. So let's go to, I prefer go down, more borders, and then let me see. Okay, select this one and click on OK. Now let's do something. Come down. You can put your initial year developed by so and so. Okay, so I'll select from here and I'll press the Control key and the Shift key, then the down arrow key to select all. Then from there I'll select one of the cells and I'll click on right click and select hide. Okay, so let's work on this clear data. We want to activate this button that inside this shape in such a way that when you click on it, it will clear whatever is here from the index number, ID number to the contact. Okay, so remember the first cell is A2 to F201. So let's you can change the color to your preference. Okay, change the color to your preference. So right click, you can add any formatting to it. As I said, if you want to do that, go to shape format. You can go to effects, you can add effect to it. Okay, I prefer it to be like this. So right click on the shape and go to assign micro and then delete whatever is here and right here clear learners data and click on here and select your workbook and click on new. That's nice. You can give it a name here. What is the name of this learner? Modulo clear learner. Learners database. Okay. So I believe you remember that. So these are the modules that we have created. Yes. Today we created a modulo, right? It's like we created a modulo yesterday. So let me check something. Yesterday we created a modulo for this one. Okay, we created it. Maybe I didn't save it well, and for that matter, it is not working. But at your end, it will definitely work. So without waiting much time, all these codes will be sent to you. Okay, don't worry. So it seems like mine is not working. So let me do that fast, quickly. So I'll go to right click and go to assign my modulo. I'll select this one and click on edit. Now, first of all, I have already explained it, so now here I'll just say, do you want to clear learners data? Then I'll put question mark. So yours is to go and copy that one and paste, and we'll just do some correction, some editing. Okay. I will send you this course. Yours is to copy and paste, but you also need to have knowledge about it so that you can develop your own. I'll explain, don't worry. I'll explain the code. So what is the range you want to clear? I told you want to clear A2 is to let me check. A2 is to E20, E200, and so E201. Ensure there's double quotation. Dot select, then selection dot clear content. Okay, so first of all, the subroutine name is what? Clear learners data. Clear learners data. And we diminish A, the variable A, as the VB message result box. It should give us a result box. And we say that it should give us a message. And this message contains, do you want to clear learners data? And you should give us to respond either yes or no. So yes or no plus question, VB question, and it should display this. So if the user say yes, then clear. But if the user didn't say yes and he say no, then close this subroutine. That's the meaning. If A is equal to VB no, then exit sub. It should exist this is a sub. This is a sub. It should exist it. It should not run this code. it should not run this code. So let's save it. I don't know why every day you keep on telling me this. Is it the following features cannot be saved in a microfill workbook project? To save a file with these features, click no and then choose a micro enable file. Okay, so no. I don't know why. I've done these things several times, so okay, so this is the mistake I did. I'm supposed to select this one, not this one. Okay, so let's do that correction. This one, Microsoft Excel Micro Enable Workbook. Okay, that's the mistake I did and it is costing me. So I'll just do that correction. Let me put 01 here so that I can easily. Okay. So I can close this. I can close it. So if, let me assume to enter some data here. So let's format this. Let's format this cell. So select the whole of this. Select the whole of this. Go to home, bold, and let's increase the font to 12. So let's start. Let's assume we are going to use a form to do that, so don't worry. So let me write these details. Gender, male, parent name Mr. what? Saturday, Josiah. That's the name of my father. I'll write my phone number. So let me format this, select the whole of this. Go to general, click here. Okay, so just say control 1, then go to number and go to custom. Go to custom and go to control 1, go to custom, then another general, just clean everything and write 10 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, then click on OK. So here 024902034. Sorry. Okay, so if I click on this, it will clear this detail. See the magic. It will ask you, do you want to clear learner's data? So if you say yes, it will clear. It will clear it. It will clear it. Okay, we will not add this. Okay, we'll add it later. Okay, when we did the linking, then we can add. Okay, so don't worry, I didn't add it here. We'll come back and design our form. We'll come back to design our form, so don't be worried. We'll design our form. Okay, so let's go back to. So in our next lesson, we'll be looking at subject. Okay, subject. We'll be looking at subject. I don't want the video to be too long. If it's too long, the size will be too big and it will become a challenge. So I'll pause over here. We'll continue soon. Thank you. Ensure that you send a screenshot of whatever you do on the page. If you have any question, please ask. Thank you.